Hi guys, today we are going to start integration which is based on AS level, and today's learning objectives are after completing this unit you should be able to find y when given dy by dx for x to the power n, and we will be using this formula integration x to the power n into dx, which is equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, and we put one constant c. Integrate polynomial. So this is our second objective. So we are going to integrate polynomial, and then third objective is find fx when given f dash x. So f dash x, you know, it is a derivative, first derivative. Okay, now and we will evaluate a definite integral and find the area bounded by a curve and the x-axis, and find areas bounded by curve and a straight line. Yeah, so let's start our question. So if question comes like this, find the following integral. Yeah, so as we have already discussed that our formula is x to the power n dx, it will be x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus constant c. So let's see this question. So integration x to the power 2 over 3 plus 4 over x3. Yeah, so integration x to the power 2 over 3 plus 4. This x to the power 3 is going up in the numerator, so it will be 4x to the power minus 3 into dx. Yeah, now we need to integrate it. So integration of x to the power 2 over 3 is x to the power 2 over 3 plus 1, and this is also 2 over 3 plus 1 plus 4 x to the power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1 and plus constant c. So once we solve this 2 by 3 plus 1, it becomes 5 over 3, and here also 5 over 3. So let's write down here x to the power 5 over 3, and this 5 over 3, it will be reversed, that is 3 over 5. Now plus 4x minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2, and here in the denominator is also minus 2 and plus constant c. So this minus sign, this plus and this minus, they will change into minus. So we can write down here 3 over 5 x to the power 5 over 3 minus 4 divided by 2, that is 2, x to the power minus 2, either you write minus 2 or you can write down 2 over x square and plus c. Nice and easy. Now next question is b part. So here it is 2 plus x over x cube plus 3. Yeah, so you know this rule, if it is 2 plus 3 over 5, we can write down this 2 over 5 and 3 over 5. So same thing what we are going to do, this was your a part and this is your b part. So we can write down this 2 over x cube plus x over x cube and plus 3. Yeah, so now integration. So 2, when this is going up, x to the power 3, this is going up, so it will be 2 x to the power minus 3. 1 x and 1 x is cancelled out, so we are left with 1 over x square, and when x square is going up, so it will be x to the power minus 2 and plus 3 and dx. Yeah, so here it is dx. So let's integrate. So it is 2 minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus x minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 divided by minus 1 and 3x, because integration of 1 into dx is x. So this 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, so you can write down here minus x to the power minus 2. This minus and plus becomes minus, so x to the power minus 1 and plus 3x. So final answer is, and we can put one constant here, c. So it will be minus 1 upon x square minus 1 upon x plus 3x and plus c. Let's see C part. So in this part, what we can do, we can multiply x square with x. So it will be x to the power 3, x square with minus 1, so it is minus x square, 3 with x, that is 3x, and 3 with minus 1, that is minus 3, and this whole thing is multiplied by dx. So once we integrate x to the power 3, so it will be x to the power 4 over 4 minus x3 over 3 plus 3 x square over 2 and minus 3x and plus constant c. So this will be your answer. Let's see a couple of more questions. So question is, show that 2 plus 5 root x square can be written as 4 plus kx plus 25x, where k is a constant. So if you see, there is a no integrations and it is a basic algebra question and you just need to expand it. Yeah. So what we can do, so a part, it is given 2 plus 5 root x square. So it means you can write down 2 plus 5 root x times 2 plus 5 root x. Okay, let's multiply. So 2 times 2, that is 4. 2 times 5 root x, that is 10 root x. Now we can multiply with this. 5 root x times 2, that is 5 times 2 is 10 root x, and 5 root x and 5 root x. So 5 times 5 is 25 and root x becomes x. So this you can write down 4. This 10 root x and 10 root x becomes 20 root x plus 25x. So if you compare this equation with this equation, like 4 plus k root x over 25x, let's write down here 4 plus k root x plus 25x, whereas k is a constant to be found. So if you see, k is 20. If you are comparing, you can find k is 20. Now B part is saying find 2 plus 5 root x square dx. So we need to find integration of this as well. So let's do integration. So in this place, what we can do, because we have explained this, so integration, and we can put this value straight away, 4 plus 20 root x plus 25x. Yeah. Okay, so let's integrate. This is B part. So once we are integrating, so this is with respect to dx. So integration of 4, it will be 4x plus 20, and integration of root x means x to the power 1 by 2 into dx. Yeah, so it will be 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2, and divided by 3 by 2. So it will be 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus 25 x square, so and divided by 2 plus constant here. So this you can write down, it is 4x, 20 times 2 is 40, divided by 3, x to the power 3 by 2, 25 divided by 2, x square, and plus c. This is your answer. Let's go for another question. In this question, it is written p over 2x square plus pq dx, and it is equal to 2 over x plus 10x plus c, and you need to find the value of p and q. Yeah, so let's do this question. So if you see here, this is integration p 2x square, so you can write down p over 2 and x to the power minus 2 plus pq, and it is dx, and that is already equal to 2 over x plus 10x plus c. Okay, now we need to do integration. So once you do integration, so it will be p over 2 integration of x to the power minus 2. So it will be minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1, divided by minus 1, so it is times sign here, and plus pqx, and this is equal to 2 over x plus 10x and plus c. So this you can write down here, minus p over 2 x to the power minus 1, you can write down 1 upon x, so it will be minus p over 2x plus pqx equal to 2 over x plus 10x and plus c. Now we are going to compare the coefficient. So here it is 1 upon x. You can see this yellow part where x is in the denominator, and here x is also in the denominator. So we are going to equate. So once we are equating, so we are getting, let's write down here, minus p over 2 with x, with 1 upon x is here minus p over 2, and with 1 upon x here it is 2. So if you cross multiply, so we got minus p equal to 4, and that is p equal to minus 4. Now if we need to find this one, compare this with x, what is here, pq, and with x what is here, 10. So PQ equal to 10. Now P is minus 4, so it will be minus 4Q equal to 10. Q is 10 divided by minus 4. Okay, and this will be 5 over 2. 5 over 2, that is 2.5, and it will be minus 2.5. So this is your value. So our next question is fx equal to 2 minus x to the power 10. So clearly this question is based on binomial theorem. So given that x is small, and so terms in x cube and higher power x can be ignored. Find an approximation for fx in the form of a plus bx plus cx square. Yeah, this is our a part, and b part is find an approximation for integration fx into dx. So first you should know what the binomial expansion is. So binomial expansion is basically like this. So a plus b to the power n. Yeah, so now you can see clearly a plus b to the power n is an plus n1 an minus 1b n2 an minus 2b square and so on. Yeah, where ncr is factorial n divided by factorial r and factorial n minus r. So our question is here fx equal to 2 minus x to the power 10. Now once we apply this binomial expansion, then you will get it fx equal to a is here 2. So a is, this is our a and this is our b. So basically a is 2 and b is minus x, right? So this we can put here. So a is 2 to the power 10 plus n is 10 1, so it is 10 and 1, an minus 1, so it is 2 to the power 9, and minus x to the power 1, then nc2, so we are going to write down here 10 and 2, and it is 2 to the power 10, so it will be 2 to the power 9 and minus x to the power 2. Next term will be 10 and 3, 2 to the power 8, and it will be minus x to the power 3, and so on. Yeah, so once we simplify it, 2 to the power 10, so it will be you can use calculator for this, 1024, and this will be, this minus and plus becomes minus, and it is 51. Put this value in a calculator, so it will be 5120x plus, and if you put this here, 10 factor 10 c2 2 to the power n minus x square, so it will be 11520 x square. Okay, now they are saying So the terms in xq and higher power of x can be ignored. So we are going to ignore this term after xq. So we are taking until x square. Okay. Now we need to integrate this. So how we are going to integrate? So see here, that is b part. So this was our a part. Now b part is integration of 1024 minus 5120x plus 11520x square, and we need to integrate this here. For the integration, it will be 1024, that is 1024x minus 5120 x square divided by 2, and this will be x3 divided by 3 and plus constant here. So if we solve this further, 1024x 5120 divided by 2, so it will be 2560 x square, and if you divide 11520 divided by 3, so it will be 3840 x cube plus c. Yeah, so this is what we got so far, and now our question is saying find an approximation of integration fx. Okay, and we need to solve this here little bit further. So if you see here, so our equation is a plus bx plus cx square. Yeah, so this is our equation, a plus bx plus cx square. So let's write down that equation, a plus bx plus cx square. Yeah, so from here, let's compare this here. From here, if you compare this, so a will be 1024, and from here if you compare it, so b will be, they are not asking but I'm writing minus 2560, and c will be 3840. Nice and easy. Let's go for another question. In this question, the displacement of a particle at time t is given by the function ft. So we have given displacement, right? So this is displacement of a particle at time t is given by ft, and it is given f0 equal to 0. Given that velocity of the particle is given by f dash t. So let's write down here f dash t equal to 10 minus ft, and you need to find ft. So you know this is first derivative. So this is first derivative. So what we need to do, so if we integrate both sides, right? If we integrate both sides, so I'm writing here integration both sides. Integrate both sides. Question comes, why we are integrating both sides? Because if this is first derivative, if you integrate this side and this side, so f dash t we convert it into ft, which is a function which you need to find, that is part A, ft, and integration of 10 will be 10t, integration of 5t will be 5t square divided by 2 plus c. This is your first line. Now they are saying where f0 equal to 0 means x is 0, y is 0. So it is given f0 equal to 0. It means x is 0 and y is 0. So put here f0, that is 10, t is 0. So we are putting t, replace t with 0. So 10 0 minus 5, it is 0 square divided by 2 plus c. So basically, and f0 is equal to 0. So this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. So we got c equal to 0. So what will be equation of the function in terms of t? So our ft is, let's write down here from. So ft equal to 10t minus 5t square divided by 2 and plus c, and c we are putting 0. So our final answer is ft equal to 10t minus 5 over 2 t square. Okay, let's go for the b part. B part, it is mentioning there, determine the displacement of a particle when t equal to 3. So we need to put t equal to 3. So let's put t equal to 3. That is our b part. So if you put t equal to 3, so f3 from here, it will be 10 times 3 minus 5 over 2, and 3 square will be 9. So this will be 9. So if we simplify this, so 10 times 3 is 30, and 5 times 9 is 45 over 2, and if we simplify, we get 7.5. Yeah, that will be our answer. In this question, it is given the height in meters of an arrow and horizontally from the top of a castle is modeled by the function ft, where f0 is 35. So f0 is 35 and f dash t is given minus 9.8 t. So first thing they have given f dash t, that is minus 9.8 t. So we can integrate both sides. So if we put integration sign both sides, okay, so integration of f dash t becomes ft and minus sign outside, so it will be minus 9.8 t square divided by 2 and plus constant c, so which we can write down, that is minus 4.9 t square plus c. Now it is given when x is 0, y is 35. So remember, you know this, y equal to fx here. So if you write down here 35 equal to f0, so basically x is 0 and y is 35. So let's write down here x 0 and y 35. So here f0 equal to minus 4.9 t square, so t is basically 0 square and plus c, and f0 is given 35. So here we can write down here f0, that is 35, this will be 0 and plus c. So we basically got c is 35. So put the value of c here. So we got ft, that is minus 4.9 t square and c is 35. Let's go for the b part. Determine the height of the arrow when t is 1.5. So for b part, it is given t is 1.5. So for b part, t is given 1.5. Okay, so we can put this value 1.5 here, f 1.5 minus 4.9, t is 1.5 square, this is 4.9 and plus 35. If we put this value in a calculator, then it comes 23.97. Okay, so height of that tree will be 23.97 meter. Yeah, now C part, it is given, write down the height of the castle according to this model. So height of the castle according to this model. So what we are going to do, height of the castle. So it is F0 is 35. So let's put F0 here, 35, that is C part. F0 is 35. Okay, so height of the castle, this will give you the height of the castle. So this is height of the castle. Okay, now for D part, they are asking the arrow will hit the ground when height is 0. Estimate the time it will take the arrow to hit the ground. So when arrow is going to hit the ground, so height will be 0. So this is the condition. Height will be 0 for this question. So now we are going to put 0. Let me scroll down a little bit. So we have equation minus 4.9 t square plus 35, and that should be equal to 0. So it means minus 4.9 t square equal to minus 35, minus minus cancel, t square 35 divided by 4.9, and this will give you t 35 divided by 4.9. So if you solve this, so it will be nearly 2.6 something, yeah, 2.6. So time will be 2.6 second. And the last part, state one assumption used in your calculation. So what assumption we are using here? So we are using assumption that ground is flat. Yeah, so we will just write down here, assumption is that ground is flat. Okay, nice and easy. So thanks for watching Genius Making Machine GCSE and A-level maths. Please leave your comments and subscribe to my channel, and in my next video we will do some area problems, and that will be done by tomorrow. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching once again. Goodbye.